Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Holiday Inn Express Hotel and Suites Erie-Summit Township, an IHG hotel. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free parking, non-smoking rooms, family rooms, water park, fitness center, facilities for disabled guests and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms. Connected to Splash Lagoon Indoor Water Park and Hooch and Blotto's restaurant, this hotel is just off Interstate 90 in Erie, Pennsylvania. It offers a free shuttle to Erie International Airport. Each of the warmly colored guest rooms at the Erie-Summit Township Holiday Inn Express Hotel and Suites include a microwave, refrigerator, and coffee maker. Rooms feature a 47-inch flat-screen TV and free Wi-Fi. The 24-hour on-site gym features full-length mirrors and a mounted TV. A continental breakfast consisting of a range of hot, savory dishes is served every morning. Presque State Park and Erie Maritime Museum are within a 15-minute drive of Holiday Inn Express Hotel and Suites Erie-Summit Township. Peak Resort and Spa is a 35-minute drive from the hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.